I'm making a 6.5-inch Osana Najimi figure for my 1-year figure making anniversary. Instead of polymer clay like I usually use, I'll be making this out of paper clay. I'm measuring out the clay first before I color it to make sure I don't waste any, because I'm already using a half pack as it is. I'm using watercolor to color most of the figure. To make sure everything's in proportion, I'm doing sort of a 3D tracing. I used acrylic paint to color the skin.
She's cruel, but she knows what she's doing. Knows just what to say, so my whole day is ruined. 'Cause she's bittersweet, she lets me off lightly, and I can't help myself. I don't want anyone else. She's a mystery, she's too much for me, and I keep coming back for more. 'Cause she's bittersweet, she lets me off lightly, and I can't help myself. I don't want anyone else. She's a mystery, she's too much for me, and I keep coming.
I used water to adhere parts of clay together, and I'm also using water to fix cracks by diluting the clay first.
She's just the girl I'm looking for. Just the girl I'm looking for.
The reason I'm starting off with an almost half-empty bag of clay is because before making this figure, I made a Monica from Doki Doki Literature Club chibi, and that was the first time I used paper clay to make anything, so this would be my first full figure using paper clay. And to make sure I don't run out of clay, I'm using some of the leftover clay from the Monica figure for the panties and shoes, which was originally the skirt and jacket. I added some details to the panties just because I didn't want to waste paint. Not that you'd be able to see it after the skirt goes on anyway. The reason I'm trying out paper clay is because I watch videos by a YouTuber called Lovely For You, and her paper clay figures are absolutely beautiful. I recommend you check her out. Mine didn't really turn out at her level. She is definitely an expert at this. But yeah, she's the one who kind of turned me on to paper clay to begin with after I saw what she could do with it. didn't like the way the top connected to the skirt, so I adjusted it to make it look better. I originally made a paper clay stand, but then I realized that because paper clay is lightweight, being made out of paper and everything, that it didn't really make a good stand for it. So instead I wound up making it with polymer clay instead because it's heavier. I accidentally made her boobs too big at first, so I kind of had to give her a reduction to make it look more normal. And I learned that I should have glued the ponytails on separate because one's kind of off to the side and didn't intend for that. The very first Yandere Simulator figure I made was of Osana, so for the anniversary I thought it'd be appropriate to make a full figure of her too. Let's just say the next figure I make will be appropriate for the day in which I post it. So make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on it. Thanks for watching and see you next time.